And then this attaches right here to the little pin on whatever shirt you're wearing. Let me get a pin. Yeah.
Coco!
How you doing? And if you had, I did this on purpose so you could just attach whatever, you know, shirt you wanted to it. There you go. Oh, you need to get this outside so he's really glowing.
Yeah.
Let's go outside so you can get a good glow.
Look like a superhero.
Ass kick. Stevie and Paul Bean were here one night and they hadn't seen ass kick.
Kick ass.
Kick ass. Yeah.
Oh my
well,
God,
I'll call him
look at
ass kick.
Bling, 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 bling.
Yeah, do a profile. There you go. I actually sold a set to a lady riding a Vespa, and she put them over her leathers. Went down the road on her Vespa. It looks
Stay right there, Tony.